Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using BHIM SBI Pay application and if you want to see your UPI ID in the application, so what are the steps for that I'm going to guide you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. To check UPI ID in BHIM SBI Pay application, you have to open the application first. You have to select the customer option over here and you have to click on continue. So on the next page, it is asking me to enter 6-digit app pin. So I have to enter the pin over here. And once the pin is entered, you have to click on the tick sign. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, as you can see on home screen, there are multiple options over here and you do get an option for recharge. If you want to book any bus or hotel or flights or something, all the options are over there. And at the top, you can see your UPI ID. So this is the easiest way by which you can see your UPI ID on the home screen itself. So there is another way to check out your UPI ID. What you have to do is you have to tap on the 3 dash, which is on the left hand side top corner on home screen. And in that you have to select my accounts option. So after selecting my account option, you can see currently it is showing one of the account is linked in SBI Pay application, and on the top you can see the UPI ID. So this is the second step by which you can see your UPI ID in BHIM application. So these are the simple steps which you have to follow to check out your UPI pin in BHIM application. So the first step is you get to see your UPI ID on the home screen itself, and the other step is you have to select 3 dash option on the left hand side corner and you have to select my account option, and on my account option you will be able to see this page, so you can check out your UPI ID and your bank account details. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood how can you check out your UPI ID in BHIM SBI Pay application. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one.